Hi, welcome to Contact Monkey Academy. For today's video, we are going to be chatting about a quick start guide when you are using Outlook, but not 365. So, for starters, you're going to want to send an invite to a new user. And by going to your name in your top right hand corner in the dashboard and dropping it down and choosing users, this is where you'll be able to manage all your users. You'll want to start by clicking invite a user and then putting in all the details for that user, starting with their name, last name, email, and then which team you would like them to be on and their user role. As you can see, we do have our user roles explained here so that you can see what type of access they will be getting. There's also an alternate way that you can invite any users to your ContactMonkey platform. So if you reach out to your customer success manager, they're able to also send out an invite to any new users for them to accept the invite and then be added to the organization. Now that the invites have been sent out to all the new users, they will receive an email letting you know that you've invited them to join the organization. And it will be sent from the owner of the account. But the email will come from support@contactmonkey.com, just so you know which email to look out for. And then when you're ready to sign up, you'll want to click here to join the team. By clicking here, you'll see sign in options for Contact Monkey. And then at the bottom here, you'll notice a sign up here hyperlink. And you'll want to click there to put in all your details and create a password for your Contact Monkey account. Now that the license has been activated, it will bring you to your dashboard where you can access all of your campaigns, so emails that were sent out, any templates created by the team, any event registrations, or metrics for emails that were also sent out from the past as well. Something I recommend doing is actually bookmarking this page so you always have it access. You'll notice I do have it in my bookmarks right here. And you can do so just by clicking the star near the URL and adding bookmark. Now that you have access to your Contact Monkey dashboard and you can create engaging and interactive communications, you're going to want to be able to send those communications and track them so you can understand how your colleagues are actually engaging with them. And how you're going to go about doing so is you're going to want to visit contactmonkey.com/install internal comms, like you can see up here. And then the option you're going to choose is Outlook add-in desktop. This will begin downloading the plugin for you to have on your Outlook, and I will show you what that looks like momentarily. Now that our Contact Monkey has been downloaded onto our computer and loaded into our Outlook, you'll notice as I do come into my Outlook, we have a Contact Monkey sidebar that does open up for us with a Get Started button. We'll start by clicking the Get Started button, and then it will ask us to sign in here. This is where we will put in our credentials. And then once we're signed in, you'll notice the Contact Monkey icon here with internal communications and dashboard for you to access the dashboard as well. Before we start sending with Contact Monkey officially, I always recommend sending a test. So how we go about doing so is with Contact Monkey without 365, rather than clicking new email when you want to start a new communication, you'll want to come to our Contact Monkey icon in the top ribbon here. And by clicking that Contact Monkey logo, it's actually going to open a new message window. And once that new message window is open, you'll notice here we have a few options in the top. You'll want to make sure that you have your track email and track links on. And then you can put yourself in the two fields and subject line test. And then when you're ready to send out, you'll just start by clicking the send button. A few windows are going to pop open. I'll show you what those look like. So are you ready to send your mail merge? Yes. And then your emails will now begin sending. So those two windows will always pop open when you are sending with Contact Monkey, and it looks like we've already gotten the test. So everything's all set. As you are getting started with Contact Monkey, if you do have any questions or would need some support as you're getting to know the tool, feel free to reach out to your customer success manager. Good luck with everything and happy sending.